YouTube? Welcome to the shop. Thomas here. Well, I got another HackerBox to open, and pretty excited about this. Nice and colorful. Persistence 0046 is the box number. Before I open it, I wanted to say something though. Last month's box I opened up, and there was a comment about in the comments section about, you know, how about me doing some of these projects on video, and I do want to start doing that, but I just don't have the time. In fact, the only thing I did in last month's box is the little badge, and by the way, my badge never even worked. There was something wrong with it. I think there's a broken trace in it, but point being, it's I just don't have time. In fact, I just started doing some online classes and stuff. And actually one of those classes is to help, you know, I still consider myself a complete newbie when it comes to this Arduino stuff. And one of those classes is a program class to kind of help me get a little bit further along on some of this stuff. But, you know, hopefully in the near future, you know, when I say near future, a couple months probably, I hope to get caught up on everything and have more free time to where I can actually do some of these projects on camera and stuff instead of just opening the boxes. But until then, you know, I'm just gonna be opening the boxes. But anyways, let's get to it. Let's see what we got here. Big old bag. A pair of scissors. What do we got in here? It looks like a battery shield or something. It has a little tear tab. And that's exactly what it is, an 18650 battery shield version 3. And it even has some 3 volt on the side, 5 volt. Can you even see that? Focus. 5 volt on the side, 3 volt on that side, on off switch. See, we got output 5 volt 4 amp, 3 volt 1 amp. That's pretty awesome. Oh, it even has a little USB thing here too for input. Wemos. Nice. So I wonder if we got a Wemos in here. Might have a Wemos in there. I got a little open source hardware pin, it looks like. Yes, sir. Nice. Some jumpers. Another battery holder. 9 volt this time. I hate these type. That battery's sometimes hard as hell to get back out once you get in there because it clips right in there. Plus, I don't like 9 volts. They suck for the most part. So we got some LEDs and some resistors for, I guess, the LEDs. Looks like, oh, we got a little Uno. Ah, nice. I've only gotten one other Uno from one of these boxes. Usually it's what is it? Usually it's a Nano. So got a nice Uno. It doesn't have the 328 mega in it. It's funny how some of these just never say who makes it and stuff. And what do we got here? 1.5 inch e-paper module. Okay, I was wondering what that was. So it's got a little protector thing on it. I'm going to leave it on there. That's pretty cool. 1.54 inch e-paper. That's pretty cool. Nice. Standoffs. Oh, it's got a little piece of some plastic, some acrylic, I guess, so you can put it over it. Some jumpers, or headers rather. Cool. That's pretty cool. Nice little box to put everything in. What else we got? Got a solderless breadboard. Looks like there's a couple of them actually. Some long. Oh, okay. This is the shield prototype, I guess. That's what it looks like. Nice. That is, I would imagine, goes right there. Is it right? Yep, right there. Cool. That's cool. Looks like there's a second one. And there is a second one. And if I can get it out of there, a Hopin hardware sticker. And that's it. Awesome. I can't wait to get online and see what the instructables say about this, but that's pretty cool. All right. Yeah, so see you guys next time.